Good night and good luck.
Y saca un papelillo, me prepara un cigarrillo y una china pa'l canudo de hachís. Saca ya la chinatron, venga ya esa chinatron, quémame la chinatron.
¡No hay chinas!
Saca un papelillo, me prepara un cigarrillo y una china pa'l canudo de hachís. Saca ya la chinatron, venga ya esa chinatron, quémame la chinatron. No hay chinas hoy. No hay chinas hoy.
Sai come fanno? Metti qua in padella e poi...
Lo sballo.
È una steak?
Portiere luci rossa.
È troppo grande.
Traffic lights, girls, beer and shoes.
No, io non so cosa dire.
Carino. Ah, ed è pure grande.
Strafigata.
Tentativo. Tentazione. Tentazione.
Traviante.
Poco rock and roll.
Un po' tipo un sogno strano. Non so che cosa
Voglio scopare.
amoroso.
Bello. Umide. Trafiga, beh.
What do you mean?
Prison man was down and began to wail. The joint was jumping and the blood began to swing. You should have heard us not out there, but sing, let's rock. Everybody, let's rock. Everybody on the whole set line. Let's dance at the jailhouse rock.
Dentro adesso.
Ragazzi, io tutti Windows, eh? Oh, mi sembra di andare su senza qualcuno che mi tira.
Wow, sfondiamo.
Guarda, aiuto.
Adesso però la palestra.
My baby don't care for cars and races. My baby don't care for shows. My baby don't care for clothes. My baby just cares for me. My baby don't care for cars and races. My baby don't care for high tone places. Liz Taylor is not as
Wouldn't it be nice if we were older? Then we wouldn't have to wait so long. And wouldn't it be nice to live together in the kind of world where we belong? No, it's gonna make it that much better when we can say goodnight and stay together.
Devi guardare allora. Grazie dell'aiuto, Sara.
Hold each other close the whole night through. Happy times together we Maybe if we think and wish and hope and pray it might come true. Run, run, baby, then there wouldn't be a single thing we couldn't do. Or we could be married, or we could be married, and then we'd be happy, and then we'd be happy. Oh, wouldn't it be
You had a plenty money, 1922. You let other women make a fool of you. Why don't you do right like some other men do? Get out of here and get me some money too. You're sitting down wondering what it's all about. You ain't got no money, they will put you out. Why don't you do right like some other men do? Get out of here and get me some money too. If you